Shortly after you have purchased your license, you will receive an email from us telling you what your school's administrator master username and password is. For instance, this will be something like school.abcd and xyz123. It is essential that before you do anything else, you verify your account. To do this, log on to www.mathschallenge.org.uk. Click on the Existing Users Login button, and you will be taken straight to the CARS Maths in Motion software login page. Type in your username and password as shown on your email, and do remember that they are both case specific. After you've done this, the home page of the software will be displayed. It is this page that both teachers and students use to navigate their way through the software. It's very important that before going on, you set up your own standard password. This password will be the one you use on a day-to-day basis and will be for teachers only. You'll have an opportunity to change this for a pupil-only password later. To complete the verification process, click on School Admin and then Passwords. We suggest that initially you do not allow individuals to change their passwords, so leave this area set to No. Move down the page to the Standard Password area. Type in the password that you want teachers to use, and then confirm it. Now click Set the Standard Password. This will complete your initial verification process.